Hello, this is a demo of two features of the Google Translate app that I want to share with you today. Let me open it up by clicking on it, tapping on it. All right, so the Google Translate app, like the Say Hi app, does have the ability to do a two-way conversation. However, I believe that the Say Hi app does a better job at that. From my understanding from the ELL teachers in my district, it is more accurate, the Say Hi app, and the interface is much simpler in the Say Hi app than it is in the Google Translate app. But the Google Translate app has a few extra bells and whistles that the Say Hi app doesn't have, and that's what I want to show you today. The first one I want to show you is over here is the camera function. If I tap on that, it will bring up my camera, and you'll see I'm going to align it to my book, and I already have it set for Spanish, and it will instantly translate what's on my book from English to Spanish. Let me get out of there, come back in. Also, another feature that I like is the handwriting one. So if I tap here on this pen icon, it will bring up a screen where I can write directly on my iPad. And it will bring up suggestions of what I'm writing. Also, it will show it both in English and I have chosen Spanish. I can hear it by just tapping on this blue arrow and then tapping on this little speaker icon.
Hola.
And I can hear it both in Spanish and also if I tap on the icon next to English.
Hello.
So that is a feature that may be useful for your students to be able to write right in there. The Google app also has lots of languages to choose from. I can choose my languages by clicking on my language, and you'll see that there are many languages. And I'm actually going to change it to French right now because I want to show you one more thing with the camera app. Now, with the other, earlier when I used my camera to look at the book cover, it instantly translated it into Spanish for me. However, I had downloaded that on my iPad, and that's another great feature about the Google app. You do not need online access if you download the files. I have not downloaded the French. It doesn't take long to download, but I don't have a need for it. But you can still use the camera. It's just not instant, and let me demonstrate how that works. So if I click on the camera icon, tap on it, okay, and I'm going to go over to my book again. All right, and I just need to get it good. And then what I have to do is just tap on the red camera icon at the bottom, and it will scan it. And then all I have to do with my finger is highlight the words I would like to translate it. So I'm just going to quickly highlight this, and you'll see as I'm highlighting it, oops, there we go. It will translate those words for me, and you'll notice it right up top here. All right, and if I want to hear it, I can tap on that blue arrow, and then all I have to do is tap on
Comment
the
code un
speaker.
château de sable?
Also can hear it in English.
How to S-code a sandcastle?
Ooh, I don't know I don't know how I must have highlighted that S there somehow. Another feature in the Google Translate that Say Hi doesn't have is also the ability to save comments. If I want to clear this comment will stay on here unless I swipe it off. So let me go back to home. You'll see it's some of the things that I've done earlier and I can just swipe it away. But if I want to keep that, I could hit the star and that would save it. And then I can go to my save by tapping on the star down here, and I can see anything that I've saved. I can save phrases. So, for instance, you'll notice I saved quite a few. I've had a new student that came in a couple of days ago who didn't speak any English whatsoever, but I wanted to get him started in the computer lab. And I had actually pre recorded this phrase. So when he came in and I wanted to explain to him how to get logged in, all I have to do was to tap on that and then I could.
Sergio encuentra el círculo con tu nombre y haz clic en él. A continuación, ingresará su número de almuerzo. Su número de almuerzo es 369.113.
So that's just a quick demo of a couple of features in the Google Translate app that I wanted to share with you. I hope you find these helpful that you may want to use with your ELL students or in everyday life for that matter. Thanks for watching.